Good afternoon, friends. This is 12th landmark judgment, which is in the syllabus of Advocate on Court examination of Supreme Court of India. This case relates to refund of excise duty paid under a mistake of law. So, friends, the case Mafatlal Industries Limited versus Union of India 1997 addressed the issue of whether a manufacturer could claim a refund of excise duty paid under a mistake of law, particularly when the burden of tax has been passed on to consumer. So, issue was whether a manufacturer could claim a refund of excise duty which he had paid under mistake of law but had recovered from the consumers. In this case, the appellant, Mafatlal Industries, sought a refund of excise duty, arguing that it had been charged and paid the duty under a mistake of law. The key issue was whether a person could claim a refund under such circumstances and whether the doctrine of unjust enrichment applied. The Supreme Court held that in cases where the burden of the duty has been passed on to a third party, such as consumer, the claimant is not entitled to a refund. This principle was based on the understanding that no party should benefit unjustly at the expenses of others. The court also discussed the constitutional aspect, particularly Article 265 of the Constitution of India, which states that no tax can be levied except by the authority of law. It clarified that even if the levy was unlawful, the person claiming a refund must prove that they had not passed on the tax burden to others. If the duty has been passed on to consumer, the claim for refund was not justified. So this case reaffirmed the necessity for accounting in restitution claims, which means that the claimant must establish that they had suffered a loss and had not transferred that burden to a third party. In conclusion, the court ruled that claim for refund of excise duty under a mistake of law is not automatic and must be accompanied by proof that the duty was not passed on to consumers. It reinforced the principle of unjust enrichment, emphasizing that only the party that bore the burden of tax is entitled to refund. As there were so many consumers which were untraceable, so the refund the this appeal was disallowed. That's all. God bless you all.